no place for losers or the innocent of mind. It's a full-time job for anyone to stay alive. The streets have set like boundaries for a war that's never won. What a wasteland for broken dreams and hired guns. Shelter me, baby, shelter me. When I'm sinking down, losing ground, shelter me. I'll go to sleep with one eye open, the other holds my tears. In the darkness, I can have my heart, but not my fears. In the morning, like a soldier, I'll approach the battleground. Another day, another dollar me. If the world goes round, shelter me. Won't you shelter me? When I'm sinking down, losing ground, shelter me. Won't you shelter me? Oh, shelter me. When I lose control of my will, shelter me. Every time I tumble down, I wanna back it up and leave this town. But when I finally get the nerve, get the lead out of my shoes, I think of you, I think of you. Baby, shelter me. Please shelter me. When I'm sinking down, losing ground, shelter me. Won't you shelter me? When I lose control of my will. In America, you get food to eat. Won't have to run to the jungle and scuff up your feet. You just sing about Jesus and drink wine all day. It's great to be an American. Ain't no lions or tigers, ain't no mamba snake. Just a sweet watermelon and the buckwheat cake. Everybody is as happy as a man can be. Climb aboard, little one, sail away with me. Sail away, sail away. We will cross the mighty ocean into the Charleston Bay. Sail away, sail away, and we will cross the mighty ocean into the Charleston Bay. In America, every man is free to take care of his home and his family.